Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing 7th class ratios and application exercise 5. For this already I have taught you about various formulae like what is cost price, what is selling price, what is gain and what is loss, what is gain percent, what is loss percent, and if cost price and gain is given, how to find out selling gain percent is given, how to find out selling price. If cost price and loss is given, how to find out selling price. And if selling price and gain is given, how to find out cost price. And if selling price and loss is given, how to find out cost price. All these formulae I have taught in the previous class. So you can check that if you have any doubt. Now, basing on that, I told you selling price, cost price, profit, basing on that, few problems are there in exercise 5. Afterwards, you have got certain problems basing on market price at uh, discount. So, first we will continue with exercise 5 with all those problems which are dealing with selling price, cost price, and profit and loss. So, let me do with the exercise 5 first problem. The first problem says a shopkeeper bought a shopkeeper bought it goes on like this. So let me read the sum. The sum is a shopkeeper bought a suitcase for rupees 480 rupees and sold it for rupees 540 rupees. Find his gain percent. You need to find out what is gain and gain percent also. So what is given to you? You have got the cost price. A shopkeeper bought a suitcase. So, what is the cost price? Cost price is given as rupees 480 and he sold it. What is selling price? Rupees 540. Now, the question is what is the gain percent? This is the question. He has purchased, what is that? He has purchased a suitcase. A suitcase he has purchased for 480 rupees. He sold it for 540 rupees. So the question is what is his gain percent? So first you find out what is gain. Gain is nothing but selling price minus cost price. That is 540 minus 480. So 540 minus 480. So 0 here, 6 here. So 60 rupees is gain. Now you want gain percent. Gain percent formula is gain by cost price into 100. Gain is 60 by cost price is 480 into 100. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 1 ja 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48. 4 2 ja 425 are 100. So you are getting it as a 25 by 2%. 25 by 2% can also be considered as 25 by 2% can be 25 by 2% can also be written as 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 12 1 by 2%, or you can even call it as 12.5%. Anything is considered as the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, second problem. Ajay bought a TV for rupees 15,000 and sold it for 14,100. Find the loss percent. So, what is the cost price of TV? Cost price is rupees 15,000. And for how much he has sold? Sold it for 14,100. So, your question is loss percent is how much? So, how will you find out loss? loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. So 15,000 minus 14,100. So 15,000, 14,100. So 009. So it is 900. So loss is 900 rupees. Now you need to find out loss percentage. So loss percent is nothing but loss by cost price into 100. So what is loss? Loss is 900 by cost price is 15,000 into 100. So two zeros here will get cancelled, one zero here. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So it is nothing but 3 into 2, that is 6%. Therefore, loss percent is equal to 6% is the answer for this problem, children. So please copy this. Now we will see third problem. Third problem, Ramu sold. It goes on like this. So what is the problem? Ramu sold a plot of land for rupees 2,40,000, gaining 20%. For how much did he purchase the plot? So what is given to you? Selling price is given and gain is given. So what is the selling price? Let us see. Selling price is 2,40,000 rupees and gain percentage is given as 20%. Now cost price is how much? Previously I have given you the formula, children. Cost price when selling price and gain is given is nothing but selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain. So selling price is 2,40,000 into 100 by 100 plus gain is 20. That means 2,40,000 into 100 by 120. So 0 will get cancelled. 12 twos are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So how much you are getting? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means how much, children? 2 lakhs. Therefore, what is cost price? Rupees 2 lakhs. This is the answer. They are asking to find out cost price. So cost price is 2 lakhs. This is third problem, children. Please copy it. Now we'll see fourth one. Fourth problem is dealing with on selling a mobile. On selling a mobile, it goes on like this. Let me read the problem. On selling a mobile for rupees 750, a shopkeeper loses 10%. So his selling price is 750 rupees and the last percent is 10%. For what amount should he sell sell it to gain 5%. So he needs to get 5%. So for what amount he has to sell? So what is given to you? Selling price is given as 750 rupees and loss percent is 10%. Actually, the question is if you want to get some gain percent, how much gain percent he said? For what amount he has to, he should sell it to get a gain of 5%. So 5% gain he has to get means what? You need to find out first what is the cost price here. Then that cost price you have to take, gain you have to take, then you have to go for selling price. For the question itself is for what price, for what amount should he sell? So selling price he is asking to find out. So first let us find out what is cost price here. Because after finding out cost price, by taking gain given in the problem, you can go for selling price. So what is cost price? Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100. This is loss. So minus loss. So selling price is 750 into 100 by 100 minus loss is 10. That is 750 into 100 by 100 minus 9 is 10 is 90. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 3 5s are. So you are getting 2500 by 3. Let me keep this as it is, cost price. So let me continue with the second part of the problem. Now let us take cost price as rupees 2500 by 3. I am not dividing because unnecessarily making your problem complicated is not required. When you continue, it will be easily you can solve the problem. So I am stopping it here only and I am continuing for the next one. What is the gain percent they have given? I think it is 5%. The problem says that for what amount should he sell? Sell it to get a gain of 5%. So gain is 5%. So what is the selling price? So when you want selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain by 100. So what is cost price? 2500 by 3 into 100 plus gain 5 by 100. Already here you have got rational number, so 100 can be written as 1 by 100. Okay, that means 2500 by 3 into 100 plus 5, 105 into 1 by 100. So 2 zeros can be cancelled here, 3 3s are 3 5s are. So you are getting 25 into 35. So let us multiply 35 with 25, 25, 15, 17, 2 5s are 10, 6 1 7, so 5 7 8. So you are getting 875. So what are you talking about? You need selling price. So he has to sell. What is this? On selling the mobile. So the mobile should be sold for rupees 875 to get a gain percent as 5%. This is the answer, children. For the fourth problem, you find out, you can copy it. We'll go to the fifth one. Please copy this. Fourth one. Fifth problem. A farmer sold 2 bullocks. A farmer sold 2 bullocks. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem. A farmer sold 2 bullocks for rupees 24,000 each. So each bullock he has sold it for 24,000. On one bullock he gained 25% and on the other he lost 20%. Find his total profit or loss percent. So for one he has got some gain and for one he has got loss. So on the whole whether he got gain or loss we have to find out. So let us talk about first bullock. Selling price. He has sold, no? First bullock selling price is rupees 24,000. And here, first bullock he has sold for a gain percent, 25%. So find out what is cost price because on the whole gain or loss percentage means on the whole means for 2 bullocks what is the cost price, for 2 bullocks what is the selling price, if you know then only you can find out whether it is profit or loss. Of course selling price is given in your problem. They said that 2 bullocks each one has sold for 24,000. So we know the selling price of 2 bullocks but we don't know what is the cost price. So for each bullock what is the cost price we have to find out. So for the first bullock what is the cost price. So cost price formula selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain. So selling price is 24,000 into 100 by 100 plus 25. So 24,000 into 100 by 125. So 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 2 zeros. So 25 4s are 100. So how much am I getting? I have to multiply 4800 with 4. 4 zeros are 4 zeros are 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16, 3 19. So cost price is equal to rupees 19,200 is on first bullock we have got. Now let us go for the second bullock. For second bullock selling price is same, that is 24,000 and loss percent. How much he has lost? The loss percentage is 20%. So find out what is cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss because loss means negative minus. Gain means plus you will write. So 24,000 into 100 by 100 minus 20. 24,000 into 100 by 80. So 0 will get cancelled. 8 3s are 24, 0 0. So how much you are getting? 1 2 3 4. That is rupees 30,000 is the cost price. Cost price is equal to rupees 30,000. So for second bullock cost price is this. For the first bullock cost price is this. So let us see on the whole. On the whole means let us find out total cost price. What is total cost price? Total cost price is 19,200 plus 30,000. That is 49,200 you will be getting. Rupees 49,200 is total cost price. What is total selling price? Each one is 2000 for 24,000 into 2, same value. So 00084. 48,000 rupees. 48,000 is total selling price. So cost price is more than selling price. If cost price is more than selling price, it is loss. So, what is loss? How do you find out loss? Cost price minus selling price. That is 49,200 minus 48,000. So, how much? 49,200 and 48,000. So, 0, 0, 2 and 1. 1200 rupees is loss. So, what is loss percent? Loss by cost price into 100, that is equal to 1200 by total cost price 49,200 into 100. So these two will get cancelled. 2 twos are and 2 fours are, 2 six are, 2 6 are 0 0. Again 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6, 100. So, what are you getting, children? 100 by 41 you are getting. Loss. So, let us divide 41, 100. So, 2s are, even 3s are is more. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So, you are getting 8 here, 1 here, 0.0. So, 4 fours are, 4 ones are 164 and 5s are is more. So 4s are 164. So you are getting 6 here, 1. So 1 more 0. So when you take 1 more 0, you will be getting 3s are. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 7 here, 3. If you take 1 more 0, 4 8 are 8 ones are, 8 fours are 32. So 8 are 9 are means 9 fours are 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Yeah, even 9 are. So 9 are it goes. So that means 2.439 means 2.44% is the last percent. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. This is fifth sum. Now let us go for the sixth problem. Shravya bought a watch. Shravya bought a watch. It goes on like this. So let me read the sum, children. Shravya bought a watch for rupees 480. She sold it to Ridhi at a gain of 6.14%. Ridhi sold it to Divya at a gain of 10%. How much did Divya paid for it? So here you see, children, three persons are involved in this problem. So first, Shravya. Shravya sold it to, who is the other person? Shravya sold it to Ridhi. And this Ridhi sold it to Divya. The Ridhi sold it to Divya. This is the problem, children. When This is sold and this is also sold. Here, what happens? Shravya, she bought a watch for 480 and sold it to Ridhi at a gain of, here, gain percent, 6.1/4%. And the next one, Ridhi, sold it to Divya at a gain of 10%. So here gain percent is 10%. Now the question is, what is the cost price of Divya? The question is, uh, how much did Divya pay for it? So what is the cost price of Divya? They are asking. So let me talk about the first one. Uh, Cost price. How much she has taken, Shravya? I'm talking about Shravya. For her cost price is rupees 480. Gain percent is 6.1/4%. So what is selling price? You have to find out. So selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain by 100. So cost price is 480 into 100 plus 6.1/4 by 100. That means 480 into 100 plus 24, 25/4 into, I can write it as 1/100. So this is nothing but, let me continue here. This is nothing but 480 into, I can take LCM 4 here. This is 400 plus 25 into 1/100. That is 480 into 425/4 into 1/100. I have clear with your calculation, children. So here 4 ones are 4 twos are 0. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 5 twos are 5 eights are 40. 5 fives are 25. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. So 6 fives are 30. 6 eights are 48. 51. Therefore, what is the selling price? Selling price of Shravya is equal to rupees 510. This selling price of to whom Shravya has sold? To Ridhi. Therefore, for Ridhi, cost price becomes rupees 510. I hope I am clear. With what price Shravya has sold, that amount becomes cost price for Ridhi. And for her gain percent is 10%. So now you have to find out what is selling price for her. So selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain by 100. So here cost price is 510 into 100 plus 510 into 100 plus, what is the gain? 10 by 100. So 510 into 110 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 11 ones are 11, 11 fives are 55, 56. So 561 rupees. So selling price of Ridhi is equal to rupees 561. This means what? This becomes cost price of Divya is equal to rupees 561. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. So with this, I am concluding my topic. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.